Hey folks, how's it going? These are some microgreens I started for myself a few days ago, and here they are. And I really hope you guys would just order some seeds and try these. So easy. Okay, I have a whole thing of broccoli, 2 different types of radish, and I love them. And I'm going to put them on my little whatever you want to call it, flour tortilla with my homemade chickpea garlic, olive oil, extravaganza is what I call it. I put some Mediterranean feta on there, some scallion, and I'm going to load it with the greens, and it's going to be delicious. Just wanted to show you what you can do with these. I mean, truly, if you just start growing them for yourself, you never have to buy vegetables because you always have some. So easy, so fun, and so delicious. Let alone the health benefits. Anyway, just sharing, my friends. I hope you all have a great day. I'm going to enjoy this deliciousness, and I will talk to you later. Stay present and stay safe. Later.